Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're grilling up some bison steaks with a Chanterelle Ragu on the Burch Barrel. So the first thing that we want to do is light up the Burch Barrel, so let's start with that. We're gonna fill up the chimney starter with quebracho charcoal from Burch Barrel. Then we're gonna light the chimney starter with help of a couple of fire starters. And when the flames are on top of the chimney starter, dump the charcoal into the grill. Now we want to place the grill grates on the Burch Barrel, and then the grill is ready to go. The Burch Barrel is now lit up, so it's time to start preparing the bison steaks. We have a couple of beautiful bison steaks here, and as you can see, bison is pretty lean. We're gonna trim off some of the fat, and then we're gonna season carefully with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost on all sides. The bison steaks are now seasoned, they're looking great, so now it's time to start working on the Chanterelle Ragu, and here are the steps. We're gonna heat up about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in a hot pan. Then you wanna add 2 large finely diced shallots, and you also wanna add about a tablespoon of finely diced garlic. Then we're gonna saute this for a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna add about a pound of parboiled chanterelles. You want to season this with salt and pepper. Then we're going to saute this until the chanterelles has released all the liquid and start crackling. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and cook for another minute. Next, we're going to add half a cup of cognac, and why not, flambe it. When all the alcohol has burnt out, you want to add about 2 cups of good stock. Then we want to simmer until this is reduced to a couple of tablespoons. Next, we're going to add a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream and then reduce down. And when the ragu has thickened, we want to add a tablespoon of soy sauce to add a little bit of umami flavor to it. The bison steaks are seasoned, the Chanterelle Ragu is almost ready, so now it's time to start grilling the bison steaks. Now the grill grates are really hot, so add the bison steaks to the grill. And now we want to cook this only for a couple of minutes until we turn it over. You only want to cook the bison steaks to an inner temperature of 120 degrees. When the bison steaks are ready, remove them from the grill and let them rest for 5 to 7 minutes. The bison steaks have now rested for 7 minutes, so it's time to slice them up and serve them with a mushroom ragu. You want to scoop the mushroom ragu into a bowl, and then we want to garnish it with a couple of leaves of parsley. When the bison steaks are rested, we want to slice them into thin slices, and man, look at the color of these steaks. And then these grilled bison steaks with a Chanterelle Ragu are ready to serve. And that is how I make my grilled bison steak with a Chanterelle Ragu on the Burch Barrel. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at that. That's perfect, rare, medium rare, somewhere in between. And the flavor is just to die for. And then we have to try this Chanterelle Ragu as well. Smells amazing. So rich, so creamy. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.